Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. Today we are discussing the many resources that you have pertaining to your lawn, garden, and landscaping.
There are many reasons why you might find yourself in need of professional help and guidance. From seasonal watering schedules, tree trimming, and which questions to ask when finding a qualified landscaper.
The Southern Nevada Water Authority is probably the most well-known community resource for watering guidelines. But did you know they also have a link on their website to help find water-smart, certified landscapers that specialize in drip irrigation and drought-tolerant landscaping.
When looking for a qualified landscaper, we recommend that you contact several licensed and bonded contractors and have a list of questions of what your expectations are. If you're interested in full-service maintenance, be sure to ask exactly what their services include.
Ask questions about seasonal fertilizing schedules, their knowledge and experience with identifying insect and disease problems, and what their approach to treatments are.
At times you might find yourself in need of a tree service that will call for more technical pruning. Ask them about the 3 R's of tree pruning: crown raising, reduction, and restoration. A great resource for finding a qualified tree service is treesaregood.org.
A resource which you may not be aware of is the Nevada Department of Agriculture with its vast information and services available to the public. The plant division of the department includes 2 programs that work to identify and control harmful insects and diseases. The entomology lab surveys for and identifies native and exotic insects and other animal pests. And the pathology lab tests for and identifies different diseases or other plant disorders. These labs are vital for early detection, eradication, and management of pests and diseases.
And don't forget about the University of Nevada Cooperative Extension Service that offers an abundance of public information on gardening and landscaping. They also offer adult classes committed to lifelong learning, adult education, 4-H youth development, farming, and ranching. For a list of these resources mentioned, head to the Garden Advice section at starnursery.com or our free app. Join us next week as we introduce you to different ways you can get involved in the gardening community.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.